So my pantry project isn't quite finished yet because I need to do something about this doorway. What we bought is a bifold door, but we don't want a bifold door. I can stain this bifold, but first I'm gonna make it a non-bifold by taking out these hinges so I can turn it into saloon doors. These are called bifold hinges. And they're neat because you don't have to do any mortising on the side of the door or on the jamb. So that's what I'm going to use inside as well. I'm going to get more of these in a brighter brass color so I don't have to muck around with mortising. Minwax Special Walnut, an old standby. It's getting windy, it's gonna rain. So I gotta get this on, give it an hour to dry. This is gonna look amazing in that kitchen. I had originally bought an antique door to put in this pantry, but Shrimp and I were talking about it and we had a little change of heart about that. We think we're gonna use that somewhere else. This is gonna look good though. Rub this off real quick. Let's head back inside and see what's going on there with that door frame. I'm gonna remove this door casing and just swap it out with something a little more plain and modern looking. First thing, gotta cut the caulk. I'm gonna use this little guy to pry the casing off. Works great. I like to use channel locks to pull out these nails that are stuck. Makes it real easy. I just roll them out like that. I'm going to install these bifold hinges. These are non-mortise hinges, so I don't have to do any routing on these doors. It makes it a lot easier. My original plan, I was thinking of replacing this door jamb here, but then I realized that's going to be kind of a pain in the butt, so it's going to be a lot easier just to paint it, and then I'll put on a new casing of wood, and I'm going to stain that. Yeah, Sherwin-Williams, it's going to take 3 coats, so I'm going to switch to a roller. This should go a little faster. First coat always looks like crap. All right, I got this jamb beautifully painted, and now I'm going to put the doors on. I've cut my casing boards down to size using select pine. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it for how it's going to look. There's no knots in this. It's going to look a lot better, a little less rustic than normal pine. So I'm just going to sand off this mill shine. That's going to allow it to take the stain a little better, and it's going to make it look better. And I'm just going to very slightly round the edges. Not really round. I'm just going to take this sharp edge off. Now I'm going to stain this casing same color as the door with Special Walnut.
We're leaving on vacation in 3 hours. I got to get these on the ball and get this project finished. So let's get these boards on. I still need to add hardware, which is going to look really cool, but I don't have the time to do it yet because, as I said, we're out of here. But look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. I have this ball latch that I'm going to attach up top, one on either side. And I have beautiful hardware that's going to run all the way down these 2 front faces, brass hardware. Just wait till you see it.
Almost done. Second to last step.
Good job.
There you go. Now for the last step. Hardware.
Now on to the next project.
Here goes nothing. Let's build.